Let's back up just for a minute. This is our story. We're a simple family that decided to move, so we decided to create a channel for those that need cleaning motivation, redecorating, DIY projects, and we would love to bring you along with our journey. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Here is a glimpse of our home before we selected the new wall color. Our family room had stacked stone originally and noticed electrical problems, so we fixed those issues and redesigned the fireplace with a more simpler and cleaner look. I found these 3 mirrors at Walmart. They did come in gold. We decided to paint them white. When I painted the one coat, I noticed it needed 2 coats to cover the glossy streaks. This used to be our old TV stand, so we decided to remove the doors from it and sand and paint it a light gray color, and it came out so perfect. Here is the process of us taking down the wall. decided to go with a white marble finish for our fireplace. That's it for today. We'll be back with more homemaking videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.